The Klarna Debit Flex Card, launched in pilot in the US in June 2025 via a Visa partnership, combines debit functionality with flexible pay-over-time options. Issued by WebBank, it's FDIC insured and works at 150 million plus Visa merchants. Fund it from your linked bank account. Spend like a debit card or split purchases into interest-free installments, up to 4 payments over 6 weeks or longer financing. No credit check for debit mode. Limits based on your Klarna profile. Apply via the Klarna app, iOS or Android. Apply and activate. Download the Klarna app, sign up or log in. Tap Card. Apply for Klarna Card. Verify identity, ID, SSN. Approval is instant. Virtual card details appear. Order physical card. Free, arrives in 7 to 10 days. Fund the card. Link your bank account in the app under Wallet. Transfer money via ACH, funds load instantly. Start with $20+. Track balance in-app. Add to wallets. For contactless use, add to Apple Wallet or Google Pay. In-app, tap Add to Wallet under Card Details. Authenticate with biometrics. Make purchases online. At Visa accepting sites, for example Amazon, enter card number, expiry, CVV. Choose Pay Now, Debit, or Flex Pay for installments, if available, minimum $35. In-store, swipe or tap physical or virtual card at checkout. Select debit mode or opt for Flex via app prompt post-purchase. Manage payments. View transactions in app dashboard. For Flex, pay first installment immediately. Others auto-debit bi-weekly. Set reminders. No late fees if on time. Tips. Monitor via app alerts. Freeze card if lost. Earn 1% cashback on eligible spends. For issues, chat support 24/7. Ideal for flexible budgeting without debt.